Hello, class. This is the spelling test for list number 2. First, make sure you have selected your name in the list. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type the word on your iPad. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Go. Go. We will go to the park. Number 2. See. See. Did you see that bird? Number 3. Two. Two. Mother gave us 2 cookies. Number 4. More. More. May I please have more soup? Number 5. Grace. Grace. The ballet dancer danced with grace. Number 6. Fudge. Fudge. I love chocolate fudge. Number 7. Stage. Stage. The singers sang on a big stage. Number 8. Write. Write. I will write my own story, said Little Red Chicken. Number 9. Slice. Slice. May I have a slice of pizza? Number 10. Grudge. Grudge. My brother had a grudge against me because I broke his toy. Those are the spelling words for this week. Great job. See you next time.